all to Power of Purple Tarot. Welcome you all, and thank you so much for the great support and love that you are showing, the comments and the likes and the views. Thank you so much for the subscriptions, and those who have already subscribed, a very big welcome to you, to my channel, and those who are watching and will be subscribing, please, you're most welcome to the family. Lots and lots of love to you, and whoever is watching it right now, please like, share and subscribe my channel and be there in this journey with me. And of course I'll try to help by my readings that I provide you here and on Instagram as well, as same ID, Power of Purple Tarot. And if you feel like booking a reading with me, yes you can, by writing me at powerofpurpletarot@gmail.com, and also can DM me on Instagram. Okay, so I do have a Facebook account as Power of Purple Tarot. However, I'm not very regular over there. I just share my posts right there, and so it's better that you contact me on Instagram, because few of you have sent me a request for reading on there, so sometimes I might miss it. So please either email me or send me on Instagram. Okay, and what else? Thank you so much for watching my channel. Let's get started with the reading. No more wasting time. So, what is your person thinking? What are they feeling about you? Basically, what are they feeling about you right now? What is your person thinking, and what are they feeling about you right now? Let's see. It's a general reading. There is no pick a card. It's just a general energy checkup with the thoughts of your divine masculine or your divine feminine, or the person you are either in separation. Whatever the message will come through, I'll just give it to you. So it's more or less the divine masculine and the divine feminine twin flame journey, the soulmate's journey. But it's basically the love connection between the two souls. It's a beautiful connection. So let's see, what is your person thinking about you? So let's get started with that. Okay, walking away. What else? Let's take up a few cards and then we'll talk about it. A man holding a coin. Okay, I'll show you the cards. I think it's glaring. Fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. Okay, so let's show you the cards. Walking away. So there might have been some of you in separation, or some of you are walking away from your connection right now. Either from the masculine is walking away from you, or you're walking away, or maybe your masculine is in this and feeling the thought due to their or the feminine. They are in the thought that you are walking away from them because there had been some patterns that had really been brought a rift in your relationship, and there was lots and lots of toxic patterns, trust issues, and of course there were involvement of third parties, involvement with other people. So lots of influences of friends, or maybe some third parties can include, mother, sister, family members, friends, or maybe they are in relationship with other, they are in a committed relationship with other. So there is a lot of walking away. So the person you are dealing with at the moment, whoever it is, masculine or feminine, is feeling that you are walking away from them, and you're just looking back just for a glance. That that too, see the card, it's when regret, that you're sad, that you're just walking away, and walking away brings you a lot of light. This walking away does not mean that literally you are walking away. It may be that you have shifted your energy, and you're advised to do some inner work on your shadows, and you need to see what is what or how you need to change your life, because your happiness lies in your own hands, not in the hands of others, as I'm always telling you. So of course You need to be aware of your own happiness, and take your life in your own hands. You're good enough, and you need to work on yourself. So after that, when the person will see you glow, see you in glory, will understand your value, will come back, and if it works out, good. If not, universe is going to send you somebody else. Okay, universe is going to send you somebody else in your life who will be really dealing with this. Okay, first let's get this into this energy of walking away. And of course, I told you the man holding a coin. The next card was man holding a coin. So basically, I'm getting the energy that either the person you are dealing with is either you're feminine or you're masculine. The gender is not important, just because it's a man holding a coin written there. So it can be just anyone. Okay, so this person will come with an offer. It's like the king of pentacles. They are slow, they are steady, but they are the I mean, they are coming with the best offers for you. They know, they love you a lot. They're thinking about you, but they're taking the time because they may be in the pattern that they have understood their work. They're not their work. I mean, understood what they have done to you, the damage they have done to you, and that's what I'm feeling is that I'm coming back to you. But I'm channeling the messages that they're saying, I'm coming back to you. Trust me, and please don't go away from me. Give me another chance. And this another chance, if you give them a chance, or just listen to what they have to say. Yes, I am not telling you, I'm not forcing you to give them a chance, but you can just listen to what they are saying. Okay, so you can just listen to what they are saying. You can just hear what offer they are doing, giving it to you. And if it doesn't sound like a breadcrumb to you, you can always accept it. And this person is not coming with a breadcrumb. I mean, this person is damn serious. They are offering you with the love, with the partnership, the commitment that you wanted. Okay, and it might be the same person. I mean, a lots of changes are there, and it may be the this somebody else is coming into your life. Someone else is coming into your life. New person is coming. I told you that other person does not do their shadow work. They do not vibe high as you are. In fact, if you two are not in the same vibration, but the universe is going to force you to force that person to go away from your life, and someone else will come and fulfill that place. So whatever had been bothering you and giving you pain, that will be removed from your life. You will be awarded. This will be your award, this man holding a coin. And fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. As I say, this is a heart chakra, or the Anahata chakra. So you need to, really need to pay attention to your heart chakra. Since you are heartbroken, maybe you are lot of heart chakra activation going on, or you need to focus. Some of you need to focus on your heart chakra. You need to open up your heart chakra, open up to self love, open up to love in general, and love a person unconditionally. If you love somebody, you give up the expectations. I know it's difficult, I know it's all for the sake of words, but at the same time, if you don't do that, you won't be able to move on with the old past wounds. Because if there are huge past wounds, if the person is not your own twin, if you're not supposed to be in that person's life, you won't be there. So you need to understand that, you need to feel that. So when you feel that you are not when you understand that this person is not meant for you, you need to really forgive that person, learn from the experience. Yes, be in under the, you cannot just remove the pain just like that, but of course you can. But you can take some time, then work on yourself, do whatever is good for you. Take up some hobby courses, or maybe take up some professional courses, join a job, do a project, start something new. So whatever you are doing, you start revamping yourself. Pay attention, pay more attention to yourself. So just do whatever is good for you. Take medical help in case if you're not feeling good. Okay, and healthy food, spend some time in nature, listen to music. Music is very, very healing. So listen to music, and if you can practice some, like drum, or any kind of instruments. If you play them, I'm hearing many people play instruments here. You can do that. You concentrate on that. So open up your heart chakra. There's lots of heart chakra activation going on, and as well as there's need to open up your heart chakra. So Maybe that's the reason you need to focus on your heart chakra. So let's see what is happening in your situation. For some of you, what is the message? Two of Cups. For some, you see there's this person is coming into your life. As I said, and offering you this harmonious Two of Cups. So there might be engagement, commitment, the promise of commitment being given to you, or maybe you will be starting some project, and then you will be like starting the friendship, and it's starting it from the scratches of once again. You just again revamp your relationship, and then you move into friendship, and then deepening your relationship, and then into commitment, and then into marriage. Some sort of that I'm getting the feeling. So this is for some of you, a group of you of collectives that will be getting this offer, but it will be a bit slow. So don't hurry, don't lose patience, and don't start writing me mails. Just tell me when is it happening. Then you have to book a personal reading. Then sorry, but in this case, most of the collectives here will be getting an offer from your person. So either it's a new person coming in your life, or the old person totally changed in a high vibed state, in the same vibration as you are. Okay, so let's check for the others also. What is happening? Okay, the Fool. So some of you will be in this same old connection. I'm talking in aspect of who is about your person. So this person may be thinking, this person who feels like giving you an offer may not will be slow, and may not have told you anything about this offer to you. They are not, sorry, they're not even talking about anything. They're not just showing you, the kind of love they have, the feelings they have. They're showing nothing to you, basically. You just feel that they have forgotten you. No, they have not forgotten you. You're very much in their mind. You are very sensually, high, physically attracted to you. Not only for physical attraction, it's more to the soul connection, and they are starting to feel that connection between you two. That yes, there is something between us, that is a spiritual bond between us. So those people will be, both of you in this relationship will be starting a new journey, like the Fool, and yes, this leap of faith will be really a new beginning. So if you are willing to take this leap of faith, instead of walking away, or walking away helps you in taking this leap of faith, you need to do that. But again, for all of you, what is required is open up your heart chakra. This is very, 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 very important. Okay, this is what I'm getting. So let's see by what time for all of you. The approximate time they are coming towards you. As I said, emotions are running high. So some of you, the collectives, this person won't be showing any signs of emotions to you. You might be feeling that they are totally very much cut off from you, and but they are coming with this offer of this Two of Cups. They are coming with this Two of Cups offer for you. They are coming with that offer. So they are coming soon, and yes, this is going to take place. And nothing is yet set in stone. So if you feel that you really need to walk away, really need to feel the walk away from this connection, it is not serving your highest good, I would suggest yes, you do that. If the person is not just giving you nothing and not keeping you in loop, and not always betraying your emotions, whoever it is, please move away from that person. Open up to the connection of unconditional love. Forgive that person. By forgiving that person, you will be able to move on quickly. Like you will be able to take on this leap of faith. Okay, so you will be able to take on this leap of faith, and of course nothing is yet so set in stone. So work on yourself. Gradually you will be finding the right person who will be offering you this. So basically whatever is happening in this connection, I'm getting a lot of collectives that you people, some of you will be in getting an offer from your person, some of you will be getting it late or from someone else, and some of you have to work a bit harder. You really move away from that connection, work a bit harder, take this leap of faith, okay? And walking away does not mean walking away from life, it's walking away from your situation that is not serving you. And please practice self love, self care, take good care of yourself, do something good to yourself, take care of your career, your life, your health, your food, okay? And just need to spruce up your life. It's kind of spring cleaning for you, so try that. And of course I understand that your emotions are running high, so your two of cups is awaited. It will soon be yours and it will come to you. So that's it for the today. So wait for my next video. Until then, if you want a personal reading, yes, you can book that on my email, which is powerofpurpletarot@gmail.com, and join me on Instagram. And also you can check my Etsy shop. I have the candles for you there. I have the good vibe candle that I've showed you I mean few weeks back. That's for the crown chakra meditation, or for your home decor, or just a aesthetic purpose. You can keep that. Then I have the love candles, then I have the abundance candles, I have the citrine bracelet for you people for your solar plexus chakra, and I have the couple of readings for you. So just check out my Etsy shop and I will give all the links below, okay? And let me know what you want. And you can all of course send me some decks if you want from the public list that I've already kept it on my Amazon. All the links will be given down below. And for bookings, instead of first start just sending me the money, please let me know through email, and then just let me know and I will tell you when to pay and how to pay, okay? Thanks a lot for watching. Be there with me, like, share and subscribe my channel, and of course I'll be there with another reading for you. Till then, thank you, take care and bye.